Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well and a lot better than me. I've been diagnosed with walking pneumonia. I don't know why. And I thought you were supposed to feel better after you start taking your antibiotics. It's made me feel so much more worse, y'all. But anyways, we do have a new spoiler for the BoxyCharm Premium December box. And again, guys, since I can't hardly catch my breath, but I know I got to get these out, I'm not going to be doing that long-ass intro of mine or the long-ass outro, so we're just going to jump in. But I will read the first comment from my last video, which was some confirmed December Boxyluxe spoilers. Congratulations, Star Lynn Luna. Star says, hope your day is going well. Well, thank you, Star. I hope it goes better than being sick like I am, but I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Just make sure you leave a comment if you want to get a shout out, guys. And make sure your subscribe button and your notification bell is turned on. That way you don't miss none of my videos. All right, guys, so first I'm going to go over what is in this box, and then I'm going to tell you the new one. First thing is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose palette. Next, and again, this was a choice item, so you would either get that palette or the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. Now, the new spoiler they just revealed, now it was revealed yesterday. Yeah, I know, I'm late. I didn't want to do it, y'all. But anyways, it is the Too Faced Palm Springs eyeshadow palette. As soon as they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Black River Bailey. Black River Bailey says, hi, everyone. Why, hi, Bailey. How are you, honey? I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get that shout out, and guys, again, please just make sure you're still subscribed, and make sure your bell is on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers, and that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.